Welcome to this session on creating a customer material condition record in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to define special pricing or discounts for a specific customer and material combination. You'll follow step-by-step instructions to enter a negotiated price into SAP, ensuring that every time this customer orders the product, the correct price is applied automatically. Customer-specific pricing is essential in real-world business environments. It simplifies the sales process, enhances accuracy, and ensures consistency in order management and billing. Let's take a real-world example from Pepsi. Imagine Pepsi's sales team negotiating a preferred rate for a large supermarket chain that orders beverage cans in high volume each month. After agreeing to the new price, the sales operations team enters the negotiated rate into SAP using a customer material condition record. This ensures that the special price is automatically pulled into future orders, saving time, reducing errors, and guaranteeing consistency across departments. Across Pepsi's global network, SAP's pricing condition records help maintain standardized pricing logic while supporting customized sales strategies tailored to each customer. Now consider your own organization. Are customer-specific pricing conditions maintained centrally in SAP? Could automating these discounts help your teams reduce manual effort and prevent pricing errors? Let's begin the process of creating a customer material condition record in SAP. To effectively manage and create condition records in SAP, begin by accessing the condition record creation screen. On the SAP Easy Access screen, navigate to Logistics, then select Sales and Distribution, proceed to Master Data, choose Conditions, and then select Using Condition Type, followed by Create. The transaction code is VK11. This transaction code is specifically designed for creating pricing condition records within SAP, playing a crucial role in handling special pricing scenarios, discounts, and other pricing conditions associated with various materials and customers. Once you've accessed the Create Condition Record screen, your first step is to specify the condition type. Enter the specific condition type that corresponds to the standard or special pricing conditions you are defining, typically used for setting standard material prices or special discounts. Press Enter after specifying the condition type. The system will prompt you to select a key combination. The key combination refers to the particular set of fields used by SAP to uniquely identify and apply pricing conditions to specific customer material pairs. In the key combination dialog box, select the customer material with release status option. This selection ensures the defined condition record will be precisely applied to the identified customer and material combination, respecting any relevant release statuses. Click Continue to advance to the next stage. You will now enter the Create Pricing Condition Fast Entry screen. This screen facilitates quick and efficient entry of the essential details that define your pricing condition. In the Sales Organization field, input the relevant sales organization responsible for managing sales activities related to the specified materials and customers. This ensures accurate processing and tracking within the correct organizational unit. The Distribution Channel field requires entry of the appropriate distribution channel, defining how the products or materials are distributed, whether through retail, wholesale, or direct sales channels. Correctly specifying this ensures alignment with logistical and sales operations. Enter the customer number in the customer field. This clearly identifies which customer the pricing condition will apply to, ensuring accuracy in billing and customer relationship management. The material field necessitates entry of the unique material number associated with the product. Precise material identification ensures that the correct pricing and inventory management processes are triggered. Input the specific price applicable to the customer material combination in the amount field. This detail directly impacts invoicing and profitability analysis. Select the appropriate currency unit in the unit field to clearly indicate the currency in which the pricing condition is defined. This ensures clarity in international transactions and financial accounting. Enter 1 in the pair field to specify the pricing condition applies per individual unit of material, providing clarity in pricing strategies and invoicing. In the unit of measure field, select PC, pieces, to define the exact measurement unit for the pricing condition. Accurate units of measure are critical for precise inventory and logistics management. After all required fields have been accurately filled, carefully review your entries for correctness and completeness. Once you are satisfied with the entries, it is time to save the condition record. Click Save to finalize and store the condition record within the SAP system. This action ensures that the pricing information is securely recorded and accurately linked to the specified customer and material combination. Upon successfully saving, SAP will automatically generate a confirmation message, clearly indicating that the condition record has been successfully created and stored. This confirmation provides assurance that your entries are accurately processed and ready for use in relevant sales transactions. Great work! You've now completed this session on creating a customer material condition record in SAP. You've seen how to navigate to the condition record creation screen, select the appropriate condition type and key combination, and enter accurate pricing details for a specific customer and material. Creating this record ensures that customer-specific pricing is automatically applied during order entry, minimizing manual input, reducing the risk of billing errors, and improving customer satisfaction. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. Whether offering promotional pricing to a retail chain in Europe or managing wholesale discounts in North America, Pepsi's global teams rely on SAP condition records to keep pricing clear, consistent, and compliant across markets. Without condition records, manual pricing could lead to errors, delays, and loss of customer trust. Now think about your team. Are special customer prices maintained effectively in SAP? Could improving your pricing setup streamline sales transactions or improve billing accuracy? With this skill in your toolkit, you're helping ensure seamless integration between sales strategy and system execution, supporting operational efficiency and customer confidence. Keep practicing. You're building real-world SAP expertise that directly impacts business success.